Okay, so not very far to go here. So we're going to do T arrival, which is something we had acted upon up here. Let's see. T arrival equals moment dot add. You can make it on the next line. I like to make it on the same line. Open T minutes. Nope, not time array. T minutes, comma M, close parentheses, dot format. And we're going to have the same format here. Hour, colon, space A, close parentheses, close quotations, close parentheses, semicolon, I think. Now we're going to get outside of this else statement here. Yep, get outside that else statement. Now we're going to, just for good housekeeping's sake, even though I know this is going to work, this can help you debug very easily. Console log T minutes, comma T minutes, console log T arrival. No, we've got to put it in quotations. T arrival. Close, so not very far to go right here. And then we're simply going to add each piece of data to its appropriate column on the table. jQuery. This is going to be quite a big jQuery call with a lot of internal HTML inside of it. So make sure your syntax is correct. There's actually nested jQuery calls in here. And there's also a couple of little almost unnoticeable characters. So the first thing we're going to do, jQuery call, open parentheses, quotations. We named this train list dot append. Now this is something to pay attention to right here. Open parentheses, then it's going to be a single quote or double quote, but single quote is what I have here. Press enter. And you're just going to have to write out that single quote all the way to the end. Then open, open caret, tr, enter. Tab over a little bit, th scope equals row. Trying to figure out why that is. It should format later. Let's see, row, and then another jQuery call, actually inside brackets this time, for snap name. And you can kind of break down how all of this plays into it. I don't really have time to name off every single character, but it does basically let you operate internally on HTML with variables through multiple jQuery calls. Something to look into. th. Okay, so we're going to simply td. Just trying to make sure I don't mess anything up. It's a different color on my other screen. Snap destination. Can do a little bit of Drag this over here. A little bit of copy and pasting, you know how much we like to do that. Snap destination to snap frequency. Snap destination here to T arrival. And then snap destination here to T minutes. And then we're going to cap this off with a ending TR tag. Let me try to figure out why this isn't liking that. Okay, I'm going to debug this really quick, and just so you don't have to sit here and watch me chase down my code. And then I will make a very short video demonstrating it and finding all the bugs, or demonstrating fixing all the bugs and demonstrating how it's supposed to work right afterwards.